Hello friends, he is my friend Olga and my friend Pasha. I'm happy to introduce them for you because it was long time when we was going to meet, and now it finally happened. Olga, please say something. Where we are now?
Now we are where? We are in Chechnya. Yeah? It's a wonderful place. I love it. I really enjoyed being with you and talking with you and Pasha. Pasha impressed me as a very intelligent and bright young man. He's our future philosopher, as far as I can understand. Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you very much. Pasha, say something to my friends. They are, by the way, from first time when we were talking and shared with our conversation with our chat and with friends, they were really impressed and they were asking me, wow, who is he? How can I talk with him? I said, of course, why not? And say something.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank you and our friend Olga for this meeting. It was very good, very it was very nice, and I very enjoyed our conversation. And what I can say about this place is very pleasant. So nice, calming traditional music. Very good place. Yeah.
Yeah, I support his words, and this is a very nice place. It is a good cafe. It's cozy place. His air conditioner works, and very beautiful music playing, and it is wonderful time. And we ordered some tea with cheesecake, and it was quite tasty.
Really nice conversation.
Yeah. Thank you very much, friends, and I hope we will make some tradition to meet here or maybe another place. What would you say to my friends who is who is ashamed to express themselves, who wanna talk but has troubles with English? What would you say them?
Just express yourself the way you can, anyway, any possible way. Use any way to speak English, the language you learn, and it will work. Once you speak, once you use the language you are studying, it will work. You need to speak, just speak. Use it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Pasha, what would you say to my friends?
Your friends? My advice?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe as I do, just talk to yourself and stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. If you, for example, feel shyness, you feel shy and you can't go outside and talk to other people or make conversation with foreign people, just talk to yourself. It's my advice, and as I do every day and everywhere when I'm alone or with somebody, I just talk to myself and I'm thinking in English. I try to think in English and talk to myself in English in front of me or
Oh, thank you very much.
just like this.
Right now I will follow your advice, and here we have a mirror, and I say to myself, give me thumb up. Please, friends, join to me. I would be very happy to talk with you and join to my chat room. And it always pleasure to talk with you. And bye for now. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.